This AI tool just replaced my ad designer. RIP Tom, I'm gonna miss you, bro. But for real, can an AI tool really make product ads that look like they came from a top agency faster than I could brew a cup of coffee? Let's find out. Roll the intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to Samiye Reviews, the channel where we explore the smartest AI tools and show you how you can use them step by step so you can stay productive, work more efficiently, and create better content faster. Today we're diving into something that's a total game changer if you sell physical products online. That means if you do drop shipping, e-com, have an Amazon store, TikTok shop, eBay, Etsy, literally anybody who sells a product online needs this new AI tool that just dropped. You know I love to cover AI tools on this channel, and today we're talking about Adzora.app, a new AI-powered platform that turns your boring product photos and listings into stunning ad creatives like these. We're talking stunning image ads, product listings, UGC-style video content, all in one AI app. And best of all, no design experience necessary. And it's a fraction of the price of other similar apps like Arcads and TopView. But before we get into the review, this video is sponsored by Adzora.app, and for a limited time only, they're giving my followers 10% off any plan with the promo code EARLY10. But you gotta hurry, that discount won't last long. So if you've been thinking about leveling up your product listings and ads, now's the perfect time to check it out. In today's review, we're gonna test out everything Adzora has to offer. I'll walk you through how to sign up, pricing, and then we'll generate some ad creatives for a brand new test product to see how well it handles different styles and formats. So let's jump right in and see what Adzora can do. All right, let's jump right into the Adzora dashboard so you can see exactly how it works from start to finish. First thing you'll do is head over to Adzora.app and click the Get Started button. You'll be asked to enter your email. This serves as your login credentials, so make sure it's a valid one. Once you're in, you'll land on your personal dashboard page where you can see your available credits. You can manage your profile settings, update passwords, manage subscriptions, and there are quick links to get to the ad creation tools. So after you're signed in, the next step is to get some credits. Adzora uses a credit-based system, so think of the credits as creative tokens. Every image or video you generate costs a few credits depending on the type of generation. Luckily, it's simple to grasp. 1 credit equals 1 image ad, and it's 5 credits for a 5-second B-roll video, or 10 credits for 1 talking AI UGC style video. So here's the quick breakdown. The launch plan is $20 a month, and that's the starter package. It comes with 60 credits. That's enough for about 60 image ads, or 12 short B-roll videos, or 6 talking AI UGC style videos. Keep in mind a few tips. Any unused credits do roll over. That said, if you plan on doing more talking AI UGC videos, you might want to go with the higher plans that offer more credits. And remember, all Adzora plans include full commercial rights for everything you create. So now that we've got our credits ready, let's start creating. For today's demo, we will try out all image generating tools and the video generating tools. For best results, always upload a high quality product image with the background removed. That's key for getting a clean, professional outcome. All right, so let's start with the Lifestyle Ad Maker. This tool is perfect if you want your product shown in a real world setting. Think catalog shots or professional photo shoots. Just upload your product image, choose your aspect ratio. So you can select square, which is 1:1, vertical, which is 9:16 for reels, or horizontal, which is 16:9 for banners, and then hit the Generate Lifestyle Ad button. In a few seconds, Adzora places your product into a natural Photorealistic scene, perfect for brand storytelling and scroll stopping visuals. Features super clean lighting, realistic depth, everything looks like an actual real life photo shoot. Next up, we've got the ad cloner. This one's all about iteration and scaling ads. Say you already have an ad that's been performing really well, but you want fresh versions to prevent ad fatigue or to split test new ideas. So what you want to do here is upload your reference ad creative and describe the tweaks you want to make. Maybe it's to change the background color. Maybe it's to try out a different model. So you just have to enter in what you want to test out or what you want to change with the existing ad creative. Once you put in that information, just hit the generate button and Adzora will instantly give you a fresh variation built off your original ad design. So it has the same DNA as the reference image, but it has the tweaks that you wanted to make. So this is like super useful if you're, scaling ads or you're wanting to iterate on a design. So it's super easy, super fast. It's like having your own in-house design team working 24/7. So this is super awesome. Next up is the done for you ad maker. That's perfect if you need a polished, ready to publish, fast ad, infographic type ad. So it'll usually have subtitle, a header with a few overlays with the benefits. So all you have to do with this one again is upload your product image. For this one, you definitely need a product that has packaging or a clear label. So something that's already in a packaging or a label will work great with this because it needs more context to be able to generate a more infographic type of ad. So make sure that the product image that you upload has some sort of packaging or packaging design or a label so that it can get as much context as possible. So for example, supplement bottles, any kind of like consumer good product would be great with this. Obviously, something like jewelry or clothing, something that doesn't normally come in a packaging or a box, you may not want to use this particular image generator for that type of product. So next thing you do is just hit generate, and what you'll get is a done for you ad in the next step. Now, if you do notice that there's any typo in the text of your done for you ad, that's no problem. Adzora actually includes a built-in Canva image editor. So just download your ad, open it inside the editor, and select the text blocks that you want to edit, save your changes, done. The next image generator we'll look at is the ad remixer. This one's one of my personal favorites. It lets you recreate the look and feel of any ad style using your own product. So here's how it works. Upload a style reference image, then upload your product photo and click generate. The AI studies the visual style, basically the lighting, the mood, the composition, and it will recreate an original ad inspired by it, but not an exact one-to-one copy. So you're still getting a unique ad. It's not just a one-to-one ripoff, but it is kind of a remixed version of that reference ad that you like. And this is perfect if you just want to borrow creative vibes of other big brands. Maybe they have a campaign that's working and you want to copy the style for your particular product. Sometimes you just want to copy the style of other type of brand without having to start from scratch. Next up is the ad optimizer. This one gives you the most creative control out of all the image generators. For this one, you upload your product, you select the aspect ratio, and in the creative direction box, just describe the scene that you want to create. You just describe to the AI what kind of scene that you want. So this gives you a lot more flexibility and creative control, unlike the other image generators where you let the AI kind of decide on the scene and the setting. This one gives you full creative control. So you would just be able to type in and enter in exactly what you want. And Adzora has a built-in prompt helper. And what it does is it automatically refine your idea into a perfect AI-ready prompt in the background. So you don't have to worry about fine-tuning it and making sure that you put as much detail. Just give it a general idea of what you want in the scene, and it will do the rest. It'll give you a polished, professional ad when it's done processing it. And this one is great for, exploring new ideas, ad themes. Maybe you want to do a seasonal campaign or you want to kind of rebrand something and you just want to try out different creative ideas. So if you get a little bit tied up with the other image generators and you want more control over the type of style you want, this is the best image generator for that. So the next one we're going to look at is the Creative Upscaler. And the Creative Upscaler is basically like hitting the enhance button on your product photos. And it works the same as the other ones. You just upload your image, choose your aspect ratio, and just hit generate. It's that easy. It'll give you just that artistic enhancement, you know, super contrast, awesome lighting. It's basically like having a professional product photographer take your photos for you, and it'll put it in different scenes and settings that fit to your product. So imagine how much you would spend on hiring a product photographer that has like decades of experience. This will do it for you in seconds. It'll give you that premium e-commerce thumbnail or that ad for that premium look. It's amazing. Like some of the photo qualities I've seen on this is it's ridiculous. It's actually unbelievable. So the next thing we'll look at are some of the videos. All right, let's move into the video tools, starting with the B-roll video maker. This feature takes a single reference image and brings it to life with full motion. So really easy, 3 steps. Upload your starting frame. You can also optionally add a end frame if you want to guide the animation, but it's not necessary if you don't have one. For the second step, all you have to do is just describe what's going on in the video, how you want the shot directed, zoom in, cinematic lighting. And step 3, just choose the video duration, aspect ratio, and camera movement, and hit generate. And in about 2 to 3 minutes, Adzora will deliver your finished B-roll. And you can see here from the quality, looks really good. 5-second B-roll video costs about 5 credits, and then a 10-second one will cost 10 credits. So keep in mind credit usage. And finally, let's try one of the most exciting tools about Adzora is it actually does talking AI UGC style videos. This is perfect for making those just kind of relatable ads that look like a real person filmed it on their phone. You've seen the popularity of AI UGC style videos. Adzora does that here too. So all in one. It doesn't just do image ads, it does video. And so it works pretty similar to the B-roll. You just upload your reference image. In the second step, you describe the scene, who's talking. And then in the third step, you just enter your dialogue. So it's going to be roughly about 10 seconds long. That's the limitation right now for AI UGC talking style videos. And in the future, when they extend that, it'll be longer. But right now, you just enter the dialogue in there and it will generate the audio. So before you do that, you want to definitely select the speaker's gender, select the aspect ratio and the resolution, and then hit generate. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. It's 10 credits, and as you can see, it turns out really good. Here's let me turn the volume.
Crave's new blueberry formula is the best tasting post-workout creatine powder I've tried in a while. You'll love this new flavor. Feed your muscles.
Here you go. Yeah, so it looks and sounds great. Realism is pretty wild. It's crazy what you could do with AI nowadays. So we just wrapped up and we walked through every major tool inside Adzora, from lifestyle images to talking video ads, all powered by AI. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at how Adzora stacks up against 2 of the biggest players in the AI ad creation space, Arcads.ai and TopView.ai. This slide gives a clear side-by-side look at what you actually get for your money, focusing on each platform's basic or starter plan, which is usually where most users begin. Starting with Adzora.app, which comes in at just $20 per month. For that price, you're getting up to 6 AI UGC style videos, or 12 5-second B-roll videos, or 60 image ad generations. That's a lot of flexibility, whether you want to test new product visuals, create scroll-stopping short-form content, or scale ad variations quickly. On top of that, Adzora includes full commercial rights and a credit system with rollovers, meaning any unused credits carry over into your next billing cycle. That's a big deal because most platforms reset your balance monthly and you end up losing unused credits. So from a cost to output standpoint, Adzora offers incredible range and the most user-friendly pricing structure here. Next up is Adzora.app, priced at a hefty $110 per month. Now you do get 10 AI UGC style videos, but notice there's no support for image ad generations or short B-roll clips at this price tier. Also, Arcads doesn't use a credit system, so you can't roll over your credits or reallocate your usage based on your needs. Once you hit your limit, that's it until the next month. Now, it does include full commercial rights like Adzora, but you're paying more than 5 times the cost for a narrower feature set that's focused almost entirely on video ads. Then there's TopView.ai, priced at $29 per month. You get 8 AI UGC style videos, but again, no image ad generation and no short B-roll video option. It does operate on a credit system like Adzora, but without rollovers, meaning any unused credits simply expire. So, while TopView offers decent entry-level pricing and commercial rights, it's limited in creative versatility compared to Adzora's all-in-one approach. So when you line them up all side by side, the value becomes pretty obvious. At $20 a month, Adzora not only gives you the lowest entry cost, but also the broadest range of creation options, like image ads, B-roll video, and UGC-style videos, plus rollover credits and full ownership of everything you make. In short, Adzora.app delivers more creative freedom, flexibility, and cost efficiency than any other platform at this level. So that's the breakdown, and hopefully this comparison gives you a clear picture of why Adzora stands out in both value and versatility, and why they're today's sponsor. And that's a wrap on my Adzora.app review. Everything we tested came out clean, professional, and ready to post. If you've been spending hours designing ads in Canva or Photoshop, or paying freelancers on Fiverr to do it for you, this AI tool is going to save you time and money. Plus, don't forget, you can get 10% off any plan today using the code EARLY10 over at Adzora.app. That code won't be around forever, so make sure to grab it while you can. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of ad creatives you want me to test next. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I've got more hands-on AI tool demos and tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.